what's up you guys? So today I am going to be reviewing a unit from Eayon Hair. When I seen this wig on their website, I was like, oh my god, I have to have it. Now this wig is a trend that I have been seeing in the hair community, and a lot of people have done this. A lot of people have tutorials on this on YouTube, but I love the fact that there is a company out there that is really in tune in what we like, what we want, and they're customizing units like this. I think it's amazing. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this out. I did try it on just a moment ago with it, you know, being regular like this, and it seems to be fine. I should be able to put some makeup on the lace and I should be good to go. I am gonna just flat iron it and wear it straight. These are the curls that come in it, but I don't really have time today to be curling my hair. I have things that I need to do, stuff to do. So yeah, girl, we finna flat iron her on out.
Your faults or mishaps, nigga. We from the Bronx, New York, shit happens. Kids clapping, love to spark the place. Half the niggas in the squad got a scar on their face. It's a whole world and this is ice. Half a meal for the charm, nigga, this is life. Got the phantom in front of the building, Trinity, yeah. 10 years been legit, they still figure me, yeah. As a young, with too much to go. Why you think motherfuckers nickname me coke shit? Should've been called Don Bob. Star shit, or maybe Grand Larceny. I did it like it's no fancy. Just pull up her pants and do the rock away. Lean back, lean back, lean back. I said my niggas don't fancy. Just pull up her pants and do the rock away. Lean back, lean back, come on.
Hard to the easy, into the wizard. My arms stay greasy, the dog stay blizzard. Got the day at 8, I'm in the 740 Fizzive, and I just bought a bike so I can ride till I die with a matching jacket. About to cop me a mansion. My niggas in the club, but you know they not dancing. We gangsta and gangsters don't dance with boogies, so never mind how we got here with burners and hoodies. Listen, we don't pay admission, and the bouncers don't check us, and we walk around the metal detectors, and it really ain't in me.
Okay, you guys, so this is officially the finished look. Now, I already know it's gonna be some people out there that say you should have just left it how it was. I already know people gonna say you shouldn't have the baby hair. I really don't care because it's my damn head and I can wear my hair how I would wear my shit. You feel me? When you get your wig, you can style it how you wanna style it. But anyway, so this unit is from Eayon Hair. Like I told you guys earlier, this hair is actually really nice. I really do like the color job that they did on this wig. It's so perfect. And you know what's funny? I actually tried to do this exact thing a couple of months ago. I'll link it down below and show you guys. And it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. So the fact that they have a wig that's already pre-made like this is awesome. I love how this hair flat irons. It flat irons so smooth, so silky. But yeah, look at the quality of this hair, like all the way down to the ends. Especially the fact that this hair was bleached and the fact that it's so smooth, just like the dark portion of the hair, is absolutely amazing to me. So I love that about this hair because it could be real stiff on the ends, but it's not. It's still flowy just like the rest of the hair. But yeah, you see how simple and sleek this wig is? Like, it's just perfect. If you guys are interested in this unit, a link will be listed down below for you guys. Like I said, this wig did come like this. I did not color it this way. I did not even bleach the knots, you guys, and look how amazing. Like, love it. I'm actually about to go get my nails done. I don't know if you guys can see my nails, but my nails are looking bad. These are actually my real nails. They just grew out. I just need to go get a fill because I get acrylic on top, which is actually what helps my nails grow because I'm not chipping them or anything like that. So yeah, they have been growing for the past like month or two. And then also, before I go, I want to show you guys this new bag that I got. This company called Teddy Blake reached out to me to send me over one of their luxury designer bags, and then I'm gonna take you guys out to go get my nails done with me. Sound like a plan? Okay, but let's get it started then. Okay, you guys, so let me go ahead and show you guys this bag that Teddy Blake sent me. So here is the box. The packaging is like really huge. Like, this is a really big box. I was like so excited when I got this. They definitely make you feel like you're living that luxury experience. Like, this is how it opens up. And it's like this big old box. You guys see this huge box? So yeah, it came in here. It was wrapped up really nice, but obviously I undid all of that. Here's a pamphlet that came with my bag. It says made in Italy luxury leather. So my bag is made out of real leather, and it was made in Italy, where most designer items are made. So I mean, I wouldn't put this like on a level of like Louis Vuitton just because they don't have like Louis Vuitton's like popularity, but this is still a luxury designer brand, and we finna put them on a map today, sis. Inside they show you a lot of different handbags that they have to offer. So if you purchase this bag, and maybe they have some other really good ones that have some really great deals as well, you can search through this bag and you can search through this book. And one thing that I really like is that not only do they have pictures of the bag, they have the price, they have the colors that the bag is available in, and then they have like almost like an Instagram type of photo of somebody wearing that same bag. The bag that I picked out, I originally wanted this bag in black because it really reminded me of this Saint Laurent bag. This is the bag that I got. It's just a croc bag, but you guys can see why I would want this bag in black, but the black one was literally all sold out. It also says a company's name here, Teddy Blake. It does have feet, so if you want to sit your bag down, you guys know feet are important for your bag, okay? And I like that they have a different type of croc here and down here. I just noticed that. And then this part is a whole different croc. And it does feel really nice. This isn't just like a croc print, like you can feel this, like it's definitely embossed in there. So I like this bag for that reason. So they do give you a dust bag with your order. This is what the dust bag looks like. It also comes with a strap, yay! So I think this is cool because if you don't want to just hold it like this, you can have it like over your shoulder. You can wear a crossbody if you want to. So I love when bags are versatile, but this is the strap that goes with it. It just hooks onto the sides. Here is the inside of the bag. It's suede inside, you guys. Like, look. This is a really nice bag. Like, this is not like a cheap bag at all. It's not like a cheap looking bag. The quality is really nice. Wow. This is like, I wonder if this is real suede. It feels like real suede. I'm gonna have to look into that for y'all. But yeah, it's suede in the inside, croc on the outside. So I'm wearing like this little two-piece today that's like gray and blue. So I thought this bag would be perfect to wear today with my outfit. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff my bag now and just put like all of my essentials from my other purse. So the first thing that I'm gonna put in my new bag real quick is my wallet. If you guys want this wallet, I did do a review on this as well, and I'll link that down below for you guys. But yeah, this is the wallet that I'm going to be using today. It has my cards and everything in here already. So I'm just going to put this in my bag. And you guys, I don't carry a lot, so don't panic, okay? The next thing that I'm going to put in my bag is some perfume. I keep different types of perfume on me, like, because sometimes it just depends on like the kind of vibe that I'm in for. But right now I have been wearing the Marc Jacobs Daisy So Fresh. I freaking love how this smells. Like, this has been my favorite go-to perfume for the past damn near 10 years. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I've been wearing this perfume since like 2010. So love this. My next go-to scent is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. So that is what this is. This one is actually from Scentbird. I don't know if you guys are subscribed to them. This is not promoted by Scentbird, but that is what I use. I don't have that much left because I use this stuff like so often, but I'm gonna get another one this coming up month in November. Gotta have another perfume, so I'll put that in there. Now I just have a variety of different lip glosses. I just like having options. So this one is by Victoria's Secret. I recently bought this one. Actually, all three of these are from Victoria's Secret except for this. So this is a lip plumper because I like my lips looking nice and juicy and big. This one is just a pink lip gloss, just something that I mix like with the clear. Like, I don't put this on by itself. And then y'all already know you gotta have some kind of chapstick, Carmex, or something on deck. So that's what this is. Next up, we have to have a portable charger. I always keep a portable charger in my purse because y'all already know you be out and about, you need your phone charged. That's what this is for. So I keep this in here. I also have this adapter just in case I can find like a plug somewhere. Then I have this adapter. One of my essentials is this little piece right here. You know Apple gave all of our phones a tampon, and that's what this is, okay? It's basically like a connector, so if you have like headphones or something, you can put it in your iPhone, because y'all know how iPhones are now. But yeah, so this is my little iPhone tampon. It's so gross looking, don't it? Like, look when I put it like at the bottom of here. That's why I'm like, ugh, why they give me this? Like, look at this. Girl, I done seen a text message, hold on, let me reply. Well, while we on my phone, might as well say, boom, put the phone in there, fam, bam, woo. My charger, gotta have my charger, shouty. Like, who cannot go with a charger, shouty? So then I have to have some headphones. Now, these are not AirPods or anything like that, but these are literally the best headphones in the world. Like, they have so much bass in this. It's better than Apple headphones. It's better than probably any pair of headphones that I've ever got. The brand is Sony. So these are some Sony headphones, and that's why I say I use that little piece, because I take that piece and then I plug these headphones into my iPhone because I just like the quality of these better. And then you can talk on these too. And then lastly, of course, like my car keys or something will go in here. But yeah, that's everything that I have in here. This is what it all looks like. Now, one thing that I do want to point out to you guys that I don't know if you guys have noticed yet, this purse does not have like a zipper. So you need to be very careful. I would not wear this as a crossbody bag for that reason, because somebody can literally just walk and just go right into your purse because there's no zipper or any, like, it's not even like a little button right here or nothing that you can do to like close it. And I wish that I can somehow close my bag like this. That's the only thing about this bag. But anyway, you guys, I have to go. I need to get to the nail salon before they close. I may or may not include it in this. Damn, I got 30 minutes. Okay, yeah, I have to go, you guys. I have to go. I have to get to this nail salon before they close.
I just want you to focus. Pull me in, pull me closer. Give me that diagnosis. Blow my mind like explosions. Just one touch leaves me helpless. On repeat like it's endless. That she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good, damn, you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, you to focus. Gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma. Do it over and over, yeah. Make it pop Coca-Cola. Keep it hot Barcelona. Bet she's turned to a white dress. Looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love. I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love. Just focus on my, just focus on my love.
This is the shape of my nails. Look at my nails, you guys. They got so long. And she did a really good shape. They're not like too thick or anything. Love them.
I wasn't able to record her painting my nails because I get gel polish and I have to switch my hands in and out of the UV light. But this is the finished look, you guys. What do you think? I love them so much. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys really like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, a direct link will be listed down below for this specific wig. If you guys are interested in my new bag, I will leave a link to that below as well. And then I will talk to you guys later. Bye!